Animals perceive the world in various ways, and their sensory systems are adapted to their specific needs and environments. Here's an overview of how different animals see the world. Snakes. Strangely enough, snakes are another animal that is colorblind. Their retina's rod cells are involved in this. Pit organs on the faces of some snakes, such as boas, enable them to detect infrared light from warm bodies. By detecting heat sources, they can stalk their prey. Birds. Birds have an organ known as an avian eye that allows them to see UV light. Their eye lenses can quickly change shape. Predator birds see almost through binoculars. Eagles have a 1-mile field of vision. Their pupils resemble magnified glasses. Strangely enough, however, sparrows have pink lenses that allow them to perceive the world. They can't tell the difference between blue and green. Rat. Rats' vision is extremely hazy. The red color is invisible to them. Rats observe the world in slow motion as well. They have autonomous eye movement. They were able to see 2 images at once thanks to this. Cats. Cats see the world even more different than other animals. And wait until you hear what we have to tell you about the vision of dogs. Indo-cats are nearsighted. They may only recognize you within a few feet. Oddly enough, cats are also sort of colorblind, which means they can see only some colors or see in shades of gray. In particular, the color red confuses them. However, cats do have the unique ability to see in the dark. This is due to the high number of photocopier cells in their retinas. Insects. Thousands of microscope lenses and receptors make up an insect's eye, which together give it a vast field of vision. Insects have the ability to see in slow motion and in ultraviolet light. According to a study from the University of Sheffield in the UK, insects are capable of taking photos of excellent quality. In fact, insects likely possess the finest vision among all animal species. In the insect kingdom, butterflies have the sharpest vision. Interestingly, bees can't tell the difference between red and pink colors. Fish. Fish eyes can adjust to any available light source, allowing them to see clearly in any sort of natural water. In addition, compared to other animals, their eyes are bigger, allowing for more light to be reflected by their lenses. Some fish have an additional eyelid that allows them to swim more quickly without engaging their corneas. Fish have full color vision. Sharks are completely incapable at telling colors apart. Cows. Cows don't see colors as clear as humans do. They see the world in orange and red, but they have something called a panoramic vision. Interestingly enough, it means they can see the entire world without even turning their heads. Frog. Frogs can see only moving objects. They can starve to death if their food doesn't move. Interestingly, they can also focus only on objects that they want to see clearly. Frogs have excellent night vision. Frogs also have working eyes. What this means is that they can see from both sides, directly in front of them and even from partially behind. Lizards. Lizards can perceive color because they have multicolored droplets of oil in their photoreceptors. What this means is that they can see a wider UV range than humans can. Lizards also have similar eyes than other animals, but oddly enough, they have a larger lens. Aperture, cornea, and pupillary for animals for their size. This is what allows them to get the light when they need to see at night.